Hello, today at Model Corner we'll be looking at the Gemini jets Delta Airlines Boeing 717-200 in 1/400 scale. Now, as you can see, this model comes packaged in a presentation box which has an image of the plane found inside. It's identical to what you will find in there. You have the model of the plane, again, Boeing 717-200, and the airline Delta, the nice little SkyTeam logo here, and Delta's logo there. On the back, you have some information about what a Gemini jet is, and another image of the plane found inside. Back to the front, we could open up and look at the window. You can see the model inside without having to take it out. So if you want to have it on display like this, it's got a nice box to do so. And then on the lid, we have some information about the plane, such as a little history of the Boeing 717, some specification information, such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches, with a little plane to show you. And then some other info you might like to know, such as range, cruising speed, max takeoff weight, and things of that nature. Now let's open it up and have a look at the model inside. Just pops out. We come within two pieces of plastic. Just separate. Take it off. Now, this is a die-cast metal plane, so it's very sturdy, but there may be some smaller details, such as things like this and landing gear, that may be more delicate, so please handle with care. Now let's look at this very nice detailed Boeing 717. So of course you can see the livery, Delta there, its logo, and on the vertical stabilizer, a nice big Delta logo. And as you can see, the Boeing 717 has a more unique design compared to modern planes, as it has rear-mounted engines on the fuselage and a T-tail for its stabilizers, rather than, engines on the wings and just obviously the tail here and it's sticking out. Now let's look at some other things. So we can see on the wings, you can see the flaps and ailerons. You can see very nice jet engines. See inside, of course, very nice detailed T-tail, which has the elevators and the rudders on them still. We can go underneath, we can see the landing gear, another big Delta logo in wood. There's a little hole there for a display stand if you had one, and a little Gemini Jets logo there. Going back, we can look at more little details on the door. It's got a little SkyTeam logo, which seems to be all Delta planes seem to have. Here we've got a little American flag and a registration of N998AT. Turn it around to the other side, you see the detail is on there too. A nice look at the cockpit. So overall, it's a very nice detailed die-cast metal model plane. It has a length of about 9.5 centimeters and a wingspan of about 7.1, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.